Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Skill Ayurveda. Myself Dr. Shweta, and today I will be speaking about the digital eye strain. Among our five senses, vision is a dominant sense. According to some research, approximately 8 to 85% of our cognition, learning, perception and most of the activities are mediated through vision. Recently, we have been into the digital screens for longer duration. Say it be around 7 hours a day will be spent in front of digital screens of some sort. May it be mobile, tablets, e-readers, computers or TV screens. All these bright screens will be leading to a condition of vision and non-vision complaints grouped as digital eye strain. Here in this video, I will be telling about some eye relaxation techniques to overcome this digital eye strain. Those are blinking, palming, rolling your eyes, 20-20-20 rule, then drawing a figure of 8, finally the ocular massage. Now let me tell you in brief about these exercises. First one is blinking. What this blinking is, when under stress, working with computer or any sort of digital screens, we often tend to stare, and when we stare, we lack to blink properly. Improper blinking habits will make the eye into a fatigue, leading to a worst condition called as digital eye strain. To overcome this, what we have to do is, whenever we are working with computers, we have to concentrate on blinking. We have to blink gently and follow a minimum of 16 blinks per minute to overcome the strain to the eyes. Next one is palming. To do this palming, you have to sit upright, take a support for your elbows, lean your elbows on a table, then rub your palms vigorously and make them warm. With this warm palms, make cups. Make cups through your palms, and these cups should be placed over your eye sockets. Here, you should be conscious that you should not press your eyeballs with your fingers. This is a wrong method. The right method is you should make cups and place those cups over your eye sockets and take a support for your elbows on the table. Sit relaxedly and follow this for 5 minutes. During this 5 minutes of palming, you should imagine a scenery of your choice, or you should sit blankly, concentrate on your breathing and do this palming for 5 minutes. Next one is drawing a figure of 8. To do this, you should make an imaginary point on your floor, concentrate on that floor and start drawing a figure of 8 through your eyes. Now draw a figure of 8, imaginary figure of 8 on the floor, and do this for half minute and do this in a reverse direction, means 8, then in a reverse way 8. Do this for half minute with each directions to have a relaxed eyes. Next one is the famous one for digital eye strain is 20-20-20 rule. In this rule, you have to take gap or a break for your work every 20 minutes for a period of 20 seconds, and during this 20 seconds you should look 20 feet away from your working distance. Then the next exercise or a technique for eye relaxation is ocular massage. How to do this ocular massage is, you can do this with your fingertips. Start from your bridge of the nose, then go towards your ridge of the eyebrows, massage there, end at your outer canthus, then start from the root of the nose, go below your eyebrows, means the groove of your eyebrows, then end at the outer canthus, then start from the root of the nose, go down on your cheekbones, massage there and end at the outer canthus. Finally, massage your forehead and massage your temple region to have a relaxed eyes. Next, this ocular massage can be coupled with a complete face massage and a head massage for overall relaxation. Follow these simple techniques and overcome the digital eye strain. Thanks for being with us. Thanks for watching this video completely, and please subscribe to our channel Skill Ayurveda. Press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much.